And email has become such a successful technique for attackers. It's rated as the #1 attack vector for cybersecurity today. And so at Mimecast, we really focused on making email safer for business to try and help organizations address the risks that really come through email every day into employees' inboxes.
So tell me about what Mimecast does in the product in terms of how it can actually help defend that sort of very weak link, because email is so common, it's used by everybody at the company at all levels. That seems like the easiest way to breach a company.
Well, one of the things that we've seen really coming through is impersonation attacks. So where somebody pretends to be somebody inside the organization and uses social engineering techniques to get data or to get funds transferred. And so we've developed a number of sophisticated technologies to help employees identify where impersonation is taking place and also to block those emails in the first place, prevent them from ever getting in.
So let's walk through one of those examples, because it is staggering the amount of information that is available about any one employee on the internet, particularly with social media. You can go onto Facebook and see where people have been, or conferences where people have been. You can go onto Twitter and see pictures that people post, speeches people give. It's very easy to come across as somebody who is familiar to that employee.
Absolutely, and that's the huge challenge, because people are trusting by nature. And so when they receive something that looks like it's got information that only a certain person would know, and they're not aware at that point in time how much work could be going in behind the scenes in order to scam that organization.
In terms of companies and the reason why they would spend the money up front on preventing an attack, insurance has become a very more widespread sort of thing to have for a company for cybersecurity. If they have a company like yours helping them protect themselves, are their insurance premiums lower?
I think the industry hasn't quite gotten to
okay. Yeah, go ahead.
The industry hasn't quite gotten to a point where insurance premiums are considerably lower as a result of having specific technologies in place. But I think cybersecurity has broadened to become a business resilience or a cyber resilience issue, because the latest attacks have been affecting the integrity of data and have been highly disruptive to operations. So it is something that the entire industry has to stand up and have a look at.